Welcome to Everyday Linux User. In today's video I am going to show you how to switch out the menu in the Q4OS Trinity desktop. So by default you get this menu, and you can see if we go down through, it's quite slow to go through each of the sections. And it's got this slide-in effect. So what we can do is we can click here and we can type in welcome. And you've got this switch start menu, and you've got Q4OS and categories. We're going to start off, we're going to switch to the kickoff menu. And you can see that's done. And we click here, it's now switched to kickoff. So if we go here, we've now got the menu in this sort of style. Still does the slide in, slide out thing, which is a bit annoying. If we switch again, we can go for the classic menu, and that gives you this more classic sort of, and it goes up the screen in the old school way. Now you might have seen the other thing here is the menu structure. So if we go for categories, and now we go here, now we go here, we can go to games, and you can see it slides out more to the right so it doesn't stagger up the screen. Now this menu's actually slicker to use. The only time this would be a problem is if you have a small screen, because it will quickly fill up the screen, but it actually hasn't got those effects on it, so it's easier to navigate on a low spec machine. But it's up to you which of the menus you go for, but this video is just to show you how you can switch the menus out. And that is the end of the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time on Everyday Linux User.